Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today.
In this video, we are going to discuss about Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the products which is provided by the Microsoft. So in this video, we are just focusing about Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. So these are the topics we are going to cover today's sessions. First, introduction and how to create a new presentation, how to use templates, and how to use slide transition and slide animations, and finally PowerPoint views. So this is the short introductions. So PowerPoint is a presentation application that creates a slideshow of important information, chart, and image to display during a presentation. Recent advance in PowerPoint includes subtitles on the slides. This is available in the advanced version. Okay, the presenter, coach, and the other enhanced interactive feature. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by the program. So PowerPoint was developed by Dennis Austin and Thomas Redkin at Forethought Inc. It was supposed to be named Presenter, but the name was not adopted due to the trademark issues. So it was named as a PowerPoint in 1987, as suggested by Robert Gaskins. So we have to know how to create a new presentation. It's nothing but as usual, we have to select the file tab and just go for new and click blank presentations, or else you can choose the other theme also. So wait, I will see. So here just click PowerPoint. The environment is running. So this is the environment. So you can choose the blank document, or else you can use the different type of templates which is available here. Okay, and then using templates. So for using the templates, you can click file and then new. So you have to do one of the following: type a keyword or place into search online templates. So you can use the online templates, online theme fields, and then you can change the templates. So slide transitions. So using templates is nothing but, so this is called template. So you can use the blank document, or else you can use the already built-in templates which is available already predefined one. So you can use any one of these one. Okay. So and then slide transition. So the slide transition is how one slide is removed from the screen and the next slide is displayed during the presentation. It's nothing but, now I'm going to use in the slide transition for the video. Okay, just see. So this one slide is another slide. I'm going to move for another slide, means the how the screen will be removed and the how the new slide will be appeared. So we can decide it. So PowerPoint offers many entertaining and different slide transition scheme. The tricks is to be careful, not use many different scheme in one presentations. This is for the formal presentations. Slide translations or the animations like effects happen when you move one slide from the another slide during the presentations. So next one is slide transition. Select slide transitions. You want to add transitions to select transition tab and choose transition and select transition to preview, and then you are not going to click, you just select the transition for viewing the preview. Select effect options and then select preview. If you don't want to any transition, means you just click for transitions and run. See, so this is slide transition. So this is nothing but how my slide is how my transition. So here plenty of transitions available, so you can anything, anyone. See, these are the transitions. So you can select one by one. So which one you like, so you can select it. See, this is different one. This is based on the versions. If you have a updated version, means you have a plenty of options. So here effect options, I can choose it from the right side, or I can choose it from the left side. So the effect options are available for almost all the transitions. So for this one, the effective options, it's not applicable. Okay, the opening is only in this way. So for winding, so you can choose the right side or left side. So this is your wish. Here this fracture have doesn't have any effective options. See, here you can vertical bar, or if you want to horizontal bar. Okay, so this is what the slide transmission. And then we are going to discuss about now slide transition, and this is slide animation. Slide animation is nothing but go for the animation tab and just click any of the text and just click. See, so this is what we can animate the text. So bounce. So here we can uh, have the options called effective options, and zoom in and grow and turn, random boss. So these are the animations for the text. Here you can adjust the durations, whether you can decide whether it's start on click or with previous or after previous, which one you want, you can select as your own. So plenty of options are available in the slide animations, so you can select whatever you want. Okay, this is given in the step by step format. So PowerPoint view, it's nothing but Microsoft PowerPoint has three main views: the normal view, slide sorter view, and slide show view. So it's nothing but this three option is available here. Just see here. In the status bar, you can see the slide sorter view and the reading view. This is normal view and the slideshow view. Now we are just discuss this in the slideshow view. Okay, let's see one by one. First one is normal view. Normal view is the main editing view which is used to write and design a presentation. This view has three working area. On the left tabs that alternate between outline of slide text, outline tab, and slides display as a thumbnail slide tab. So on the right side, the slide pan, which displayed large view of current slide, and the bottom of the note pans. So this is nothing but, so this is called the normal view. So here, in the left hand side, we have the slides in the thumbnail format. Here we can zoom it any one of the slides for the editing purpose. Okay, this is the normal view. And the second one is, so I just take a screenshot of the normal view for your better understanding. And the next one is slide sorter view. So the slide sorter view is an exclusive view of the slides in a thumbnails format. To navigate a slide sorter view, so for that we just go for the status bar. Under that you have to click this slide sorter icon. So this is the sample. So this is the sample screenshot. I just taken a screenshot for your better understanding. And then final one is slideshow view. This is everybody known. Slideshow view take up full computer screen like an actual slideshow presentation. In this full screen view, the presentation is shown the way it will be seen by the audience. Graphics, timings, movies, animated elements, and transition effect are shown how they will look in the actual show. To navigate a slideshow view, click slideshow view button. To exit slideshow, press escape key on the keyboard. So if you want to present a slideshow means you just click this slideshow icon, and then if you want to close this means you just press escape on the keyboard. Okay. So this is the another screenshot for your example. So I hope you will understand a little bit about what is PowerPoint and how to what is slide transition and slide animations, the difference between of these tools. So if you have any doubt means comment below, and thank you for watching. Keep supporting.